Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Unit 8 Force and Pressure. Today our topics are pressure in liquids and hydraulic machines. First of all, we are going to discuss about the pressure in liquids. What is meant by pressure in liquid? When a liquid is poured into a container, the weight of the liquid pushes down on the base, creating a pressure. Means the pressure of the liquid at the base of the container because of its weight is called pressure in liquid. Pressure and depth. The pressure in the liquid is not the same at all depths. Pressure is high at the bottom of the container but gradually decreases as you get nearer the top. This can be shown by a diagram in which there are small holes in the container and which is filled with water. The diagram shows jets of water coming from the holes. Notice that the top jet does not travel as far as the jets from the holes below because the pressure is not so large. Notice that the direction of the pressure is causing the jets of water is outward. Pressure in a liquid acts in equally all directions. It means the pressure at the bottom of the container is higher as compared to the top of the container. Next topic is density and pressure. The density of the liquid also affects the pressure. Dense liquids exert greater pressure. The diagram shows a comparison between the pressure at the bottom of a beaker of water with the pressure at the bottom of a beaker of mercury. The density of mercury is 13,600 kg per cubic meter as compared to the density of water, which is 1000 kg per cubic meter. And the pressure exerted by the mercury is 13,600 pascal and the pressure exerted by water is 1000 pascals. It means mercury is denser, so it exerts greater pressure as compared to the water. Next topic is container shape and pressure. It may seem surprising, but the pressure in a liquid does not depend on the shape of the container. The diagram shows a teapot containing tea. Notice that the level of the tea in the pot is the same as the level of the tea in the spout. If more water is added to the teapot, the tea rises to the same level in each section. This shows that the pressure in the pot and the spout are the same. It means pressure in a liquid does not depend on its shape. Next topic is hydraulic machines. Hydraulic machines are machines which use liquids to transmit forces. This is called hydraulic pressure. These machines rely on two properties of liquids. Liquids are very difficult to compress because their particles are very close together. If a trapped liquid is put under pressure, the pressure is transmitted throughout the liquid. The diagram shows a simple hydraulic jack used to lift heavy loads. 12 Newton force is applied on the narrow cylinder and 1200 pascal pressure on the narrow cylinder is transmitted by the oil to the white piston. It produces an output force which is larger than the input force. The output force is 120 Newton and the input force is 12 Newton. So the jack acts as a force multiplier. Here is the diagram of a braking system. When the brake pedal is pressed, a piston puts pressure on the fluid inside a cylinder. This pressure is transferred to a piston in another cylinder which pushes a brake pad onto the disc, causing it to slow down. Of course, there are really two brake pads, one on either side of the disc.